So, good morning, everybody. So, today we are going to start a new series. If you're preparing yourself for data analyst role, any data scientist role, SQL plays a very important role, right? So, let's start. Whenever there is an interview, then they will send you a question like this, and you have to answer it in front of a hiring manager so that you are able to get hired. So the chances become very high when you solve these queries. Now let's see how we approach that answer, how in front of a hiring manager we have to answer these queries. First of all, we are starting with the very easy one, then a moderate level, and then we will move on with the higher level and the difficult level. Now let's start. You have a question like this, how you will approach. So first read the question very carefully, and whatever the points you've understood, you have to write those points. So a car need to be inspected every year in order to pass the inspection and be street legal. So with this we understood something. And if a car has a critical issue, so yes, this is something very logical that if a car has a critical issue, right, even a single issue, it will fail, right? So it will fail, or if it has more than three minor issues, right? So there must be some minor issues also. More than three, right? So like this, right? More than three is four. So if it's greater than four, then these are the minor issues. Then it also considered to be a fail. Now, what you need to write? You need to write a query to identify all of the cars that has passed the inspection, right? And output should include the owner name. Okay, owner name and vehicle, right? Order by owner name alphabetically. Okay, I have to do order by also. Owner name, right? Owner underscore name, so that I will get it. So with this, I get to know that this is what I need. Now, if you go and check your table, you have on owner name and vehicle. This is the output you have, and this is the table you have, right? So that has owner name, vehicle, minor issues, critical issues, right? So first thing first, let's check, select star from inspections, right? You have stars from inspection. Let's start and let's run this code. Let's see the output. So if you run this, you will see there is honor, there is vehicle, there is minor issues and a critical issue, right? So what he's saying that where he's saying that you need to give me those names where there is no critical issue, right? So critical issue should be equals to zero, right? This should be a critical issue, right? Critical issue, it will fail, or if it has more than three minor issues. Now, here it is written or. I want to go with this or, then we will see how we will answer it, but this or is not correct. But since it's coming, why it's not correct, I want to show you that, right? Or minor issues should be greater than 4. That's what we have analyzed, right? And then he's saying order by honor name. Okay, let's see. Order by honor name. This is what we have understood. Now, what we are getting? Select star from this. Okay. Now, if you do this, if you run this, what you are getting? Unknown column, minor issues. Where is minor issues? Okay. It should be issues. So always make sure you're copying the same column name, right? Let me run like this. Now, this is this. So what it is, it has given to us, it has given me the name vehicle having the minor issues as well as the critical issues. Now, if you see, if any car who is having a critical issue, right, who's having a critical issue, will it pass? No, it will not pass. Alright, so let me, that's why it should be and. Here, what it is saying, you are having a critical issue, right? But you don't have any minor issue, even though your name is coming. But if you are having a critical issue, right, then you're not allowed to get to pass the test, right? So let me run this and see. Now, if you see, there is no critical issue, 0, 0, 0, right? And the minor issues are also not there, right? It is less than 4. So here, what I need to know, I need to give the owner name, right? And the vehicle as well, right? And now I need to run this. Did I get the same output? Let's see. Here is the output. So expected output is this. Okay. Let me check whether I'm correct or not. So what you can do, just click on the submit here and check the answer. And boom, your solution is correct. So this is a very simple problem. You will find, I make sure to give you this link so that you are able to do it. Follow along with me, right? Thank you so much. See you in the next video.